Hello, hello, OFP Nation. What is up? It is Wednesday, August 28th of the year 2024. And myself and Barry are here to kind of go through the charts again. Hey, Barry.
Hello. The way you say the 2024, it's
I
like
was
we're in the
I
future.
I was going to say it with an English accent. I was going to say it is the year of our Lord 2024. Okay.
Okay.
So,
Mm-hmm.
and like we always do every Sunday and Wednesday, we want to see how the markets are looking after our analysis from Sunday. We want to see how things have been playing out and how they might be projected to play out for the remainder of this week. So let's dive right in without further ado. And of course, stick around, please, to the end of the analysis. Hi, Agostinho. What is up? Good evening. Stick around to the very end of the analysis so that you guys can share with us what pairs you're looking at and we can look at them together. And if you have any technical analysis questions, feel free to throw them our way. We can look at those things together too. Barry, I'm done. It is all you, my friend.
Okay, thank you very much. So, let's quickly dive into what we saw on Sunday, brother. So on Sunday, we definitely saw the market come all the way down here, and we hope that it may continue the downward move, but apparently it's shot all the way back to the upside, took out this high, and we seem to be at resistance level over here, and we seem to be having some sort of rejection. So if we do go above this high over here, then we are definitely going to have to take out the previous high, which we had over here on the first of the month, the first week of the month. So that's what we may be saying. But if not, then this may be our rejection level that may be bringing us back to this support level. So that's what I'm still seeing on USD Mexican. I'm still seeing some downside. So that's that. Let's move quickly to dollar yen. Dollar yen, we still haven't broken this trend line. We are just touching it whatsoever. But once we get to break above here, and if we breach this resistance level, then I would definitely be looking to buy dollar yen. A lot of pairs are actually setting up this coming week. So we may actually be seeing a push to the upside, then even probably NFP will even push it even further. But overall, when we break this trend line and we break this resistance, that's when it may be looking good to actually buy dollar yen. Let's move over to euro dollar. Euro dollar also seems to be weakening. So first things first, the trend line has been broken over here, but we have not yet broken the support at 1100, which is just right here. We have not yet broken that. So once we break this, then it may be very lucrative to actually enter into euro dollar shorts. Next one is CAD Swiss. CAD Swiss, we are still in it, still holding it. We seem to be like in a consolidation, which will become relevant later on in the future. So if we pop all the way to the upside, that would be actually ideal for an area to come back to. But if we pop to the downside, then we'll be looking to use this as a target if we do have a setup to go to the upside. So right now we're just we're just in the middle, 50-50 of CAD Swiss either hitting our stop loss or going to the upside and taking our take profit. And just also to look at the calendar for this week, I believe we have some Canadian news on Friday, together some dollar news. So yeah, we may actually see some movement here. And also tomorrow, there's some Euro news that is going to be available the whole day. So let's also watch that. as of now, we're still doing nothing on CAD Swiss. Let's go to pound yen. Pound yen has just been staying up in the profit zone. It's also consolidating, similar to what CAD Swiss is doing. But I don't understand why pound yen is consolidating when dollar yen isn't. Dollar yen is like still in a downward trend. And these two are not communicating at the moment. They're not really correlating as we thought. Still, they correlate. That's when we actually see some upside movement. That's what I've noticed. Like what happened last time over here. Dollar yen went up, pound yen went up. Then afterwards, everything just went their own way. Like they were not agreeing. So at this moment, pound yen looks like we may still be heading to this resistance level over here. And so we're just watching this trade on pound yen. Last but not least, we have gold. Gold, I do believe we supposed to be coming down to this support level. I feel it has already overextended itself ever since we made this high over here. So we can actually make a new high, but my targets are now short in gold coming down to this level. And probably I may just even enter now on gold. So this can be a very ideal target. Yeah, so this is the resistance level. If it pops up a bit higher, I'll still be looking to short gold. So that's what I'm actually seeing on gold. And let's look at NAS 100. NAS 100 is coming all the way down. This area over here could be an entry for NAS 100. Even here, we can actually look to enter NAS 100 like 2 times where this break happened, and also this previous support level. So that's what I'm seeing NAS 100 till we make a new high. I'm still waiting for us to make a new all-time yearly high on NAS 100. That's why I'm still in this trade, because also US 30, if we look at US 30, we have definitely made a new high. And now we seem to be coming to the downside, or we may continue pushing to the upside between the two. But overall, I've not seen any break whatsoever, because the trend line is supposed to be like this. Oh, sorry about that. So the trend line needs to be like so. So yeah, we do have a break here, but with the break of this support would probably signify going to a downside. But looking at this rejection candle right here, which is a pin bar, it seems like we'll still be going to the upside, especially since NAS 100 has also not yet made a new high. So US 30, NAS 100, we're still looking for them to continue to the upside. So this is all of the pairs that I'm looking at for this week. Yeah, so which other pairs would you like us to actually look at? Same analysis with mine on EU. I'm free. Trend line broke, but still on support zone, and weekly high hasn't been taken out fully. So I still anticipate bullish on EU, but let's see as it goes. Yes. EU till we actually break that support level, that's when it may be ideal to go short. That's what I actually think with EU, Humphrey. Yeah. Any other pair that you'd like us to look at, or questions that you may have on today's analysis? How about you, Ria? Is it the usual Euro Kiwi?
You could take a look at that. It's moving down. It broke past the point, so looks like it may be continuing down a little bit more.
Okay. Oh, because actually talked about it, like Euro Kiwi may actually be continuing to the downside. So let's see how.
Yeah,
Oh,
see that?
this is this is interesting. Let's see how far we are. We're very close to the box here.
Yes.
Yeah. which we have been anticipating for a very, very long while. It's good to see when something moves the direction that you are anticipating. Yeah.
Yes.
So, yeah, this one is like a very good downtrend. So yeah, till we reach this box area, which we have been talking about since I don't know the beginning of August. Yeah, since we broke this trend line over here. We've just been talking about it coming
Yeah.
down. We were stopped out, but then we got back in when this support level was broken. Now we're just riding it all the way to the bottom. Yeah, trading is all about patience. Don't need to
Yeah.
rush these things. You just need to wait for what you're looking for on the chart. I've heard one thing about one trader that I'm not sure it was a movie or it was an interview, but he said one thing. Oh no! It was like a interview slash documentary. Yeah, I'm not sure if you've watched Wall Street Warriors. It's a series and documentary.
I don't know.
It is there on YouTube. The good thing is that you can get season one, season two, and season three all on YouTube. It's an actual must watch. You should just go watch it right now, Wall Street Warriors. Keep that in mind, Ria. Wall Street, you enjoy it. You enjoy it. Yeah, there was one trader who actually said that everyone is right. It's just the timing is always wrong.
That's a very good point.
Yeah, so so you can find that somebody has been shorting gold for I don't know how long, and we might have like a crash on gold anytime soon. I don't know when, but there are some people who have actually been going against gold. Like just what happened. If we look at gold from years back, let's see if we can go back into time. Yes, Augustino, we will look at DXY, and Humphrey, we will look at DXY as well. So just hang in there. Okay. So if we take a look 2011, there was a real hard crash to the bottom where if somebody was actually selling gold starting from 2008 until now, like doing some dollar cost averaging or some kind on gold by selling to the downside, yeah, they would have been in some handsome profit till 2015. So yes, they are those kind of scenarios. But hey, let's get back to our analysis and look at DXY. So just give me a moment, Humphrey and Augustino. We will look at DXY in a moment. So this is the dollar index. We switch to the 4 hour. All right. So let's just push it to. So I can say DXY is doing the same thing with euro dollar. But hold on. Did we make a new low here? This low. Problem is, yeah, we actually did make a new low at 105. So that would mean a trend line had to be shown all the way here. So the thing which I've noticed with dollar index and euro USD, they moved in exactly in the same way. So this trend line has been broken on dollar index. What we would actually be having to see here is this resistance getting broken. Then we can say for sure that we may be coming all the way back to 103 on the dollar index. Like I said, everything dollar related seems to be setting up to favor the dollar. Even probably NFP, the numbers will be good. Like I'm just seeing from everything that has been happening, also the fundamental news that has been coming out, the figures seem to be all right. So NFP, I do see a better than expected NFP number. So I'm already giving out information for these NFP numbers just now. because we usually do a poll on our Discord. So yeah, I'm expecting better than expected on NFP numbers. Just looking at how everything is going, US 30 going all the way up, NAS 100 also trying to push all the way up. So I'm seeing, yeah, better than expected. So just with dollar index, just now we are looking for a break above 101,500. Then we can see ourselves going all the way to 103,200. Right. Uh, it is just in this September that I will be deciding interest rates. Am I wrong? Augustinho, speculation is good sometimes it is bad. But for me, actually, I don't think the US will be looking to cut interest rates. If they are looking to do anything with interest rates, it's actually increasing them. That's what I actually believe will happen. So just know that if it's September, October, they might actually put the interest rates at 6%. So that's what I'm expecting. If not, they'll just leave it unchanged till next year. Next year is when I actually believe that the Fed will be cutting on interest rates. But as of now, nothing is to be done. Yeah. So let's look at Bitcoin now. Bitcoin, I saw that it's actually at 59,000. It even came down to 57. Yeah. So yeah, we touched this resistance level over here and we definitely bounced off of it. And we seem to be going to the downside, but I'm not a big fan of the downside. Till we actually breach 50,000, that's when I would say Bitcoin is probably going down to 20,000. But as of now, Bitcoin just seems to be like in a very strong pullback from my perspective. So I would only be looking for longs on Bitcoin. So, like for example, this trend line over here is what I would be looking to get broken. No resistance whatsoever. Just the trend line being broken is what I would be looking for. If not that, then if I'm looking for an earlier entry, I'll be looking for a break of probably 60,000 above here. Then probably a second entry when this trend line is broken. So the stop loss will obviously go all the way down here, but as of now, I'm thinking it may come all the way down a little bit, probably coming to 56,000 or back to this support level over here where we broke through. So that's what I'm saying. If we don't go up in the next coming days, like go and breached all the way up here, then we might be seeing some further downside coming down to 55,000, then bouncing from there, then going back to the upside. That's what I'm actually seeing on Bitcoin. And again, the year is ending. There's always this magic that happens at the end of the year with Bitcoin. So yeah, just keep an eye watch on that. Right. Okay, so yeah, we may actually see EU and GU dump till the end of the year. Yeah, that's correct, Humphrey. But yeah, let's just see where they go with the interest rates. I do think they'll just leave them unchanged. If it's not unchanged, they won't cut them, they might increase them. Right. Any other pairs or questions from you guys? Ria, any words of encouragement?
Any words of wisdom?
Yeah.
I don't have anything to add, and no, we do not have a promotion going on presently. So sorry, guys, but we will probably soon in the coming weeks. So stay tuned.
Oh, just tell them one thing. Next week, there's NFP.
Oh yeah.
So don't forget, I'm the one who's going to be doing the giveaways.
Okay, so we're doing another NFP giveaway.
Yes, we are. So, like I already intimated that I am already gonna see like better than expected numbers for NFP. So everybody should watch that. I'm probably already giving, but of course we just choose a winner randomly. So even if everybody chooses better than expected, yeah. But it will be bad if all of us are wrong.
I
Then
guess
there's
we'll
gonna
see.
be, yeah, we'll definitely see. We'll definitely see. But yeah, that's basically it for
All right.
today.
Sounds
If
good.
you'd like to watch the replay, you can and see what we talked about, especially with EU. Oh, sorry, Euro Kiwi for the past weeks. Yeah, you're welcome, Augustino. Yeah, right. I guess this is where we conclude with our analysis for Wednesday, and we'll see everybody on Sunday.
Thanks for tuning in with us, and we'll see you guys Sunday.